Hi, parents, I request you to log in with your child's name so that I can interact with them. Please log in with your child's name.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Avya. Hi, Abir.
How are you, ma'am? Hi,
I am good. Hi, Abir. Hi, Ahan. Hi, Taisha.
ma'am.
Good morning, baby. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good
Oh,
afternoon,
wonderful.
ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good morning. Okay. Now, can you tell me which is your favorite country? ऐसा
Favorite country.
My favorite country is Kuwait.
Oh, wow. And do you know which is my favorite country? My favorite country is France. Have you ever been to France?
No.
No?
Bolu.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Even I have not gone to Paris. Okay, let us do one thing. Once the coronavirus goes away, then we can all go to France.
पानी दे दो.
How's this idea?
How's the
Do you
idea?
want to come along? Yes?
ma'am. Yes,
To
ma'am.
Paris. We'll go to Paris and we will look at the Eiffel Tower. Yes? Do you want to see it? But there is one little problem. There is one small problem. If we go to France, then we'll have to speak in French. Do you know how to speak French? Do you know how to speak French?
I speak Spanish.
Oh, you know how to speak Spanish? Wow. If you know how to speak French, give me a thumbs up. No, Avya is giving me a thumbs down. Taisha is giving me a thumbs down. Abir is giving me a thumbs down. Ahan. Arush. Jonathan. Asa. Okay. So let us do one thing. Today we will learn a few words in French so that we all get prepared and then we can go to France. Yes? We'll go in a big aeroplane. Okay? And there is one more thing that I want to tell you. अब से हम इस क्लास में कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to study in the class. Okay? We'll play many games. Okay? Tell Mama to close her ears. Mama should not listen. This is our secret. All mammas close ears. Mammas cannot listen to this. Okay? सारी मम्मा की ears close है ना? Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a secret. Come to me. Quickly, all little babies come to ma'am. Come here, quickly. In this class, we are going to play many games. Okay? Don't tell this thing to mama, okay? We will play many games. Are you ready to play games? Okay, let us start playing games now. Can you all see my screen? Okay. Everybody say hi to this boy. Say hi. Okay, now we are going to see how to say hi in French. Okay, we'll say salut. Let us say salut. Everybody, come on. Very good. Salut. Now we'll say hello. Let us say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Now we are going to ask them, how are you? Comment vas-tu?
Como
Bolo.
va?
Comment vas-tu?
You.
Comment vas-tu? This means, how are you? Okay. Now, look at the picture. Can you see morning? Yes.
Yes.
If we have to say good morning, we will say bon matin. Let us say
Martin.
very good. Bon matin. Now, every day when you wake up in the morning, I want all of you to say bon matin to mama, papa. Okay. Now, every day when you will come for the class, you will say good evening, ma'am. You will say bonsoir. Bonsoir. Let us say it together.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Very good. And today when you will go to the bed to sleep, you will say good night to mama, papa. So you will say bonne nuit. Let us say it together. Bon nuit. Okay?
Bon nuit.
Whenever any guests come to our place to visit us, we welcome them. We welcome them. So we will say bienvenue. Let us say it together. Bienvenue. Okay? All right. Now we are going to play one game. Are you ready? Are you ready to play the game? Okay. Everybody, please look at these triangles carefully. ठीक है? ये एक game है. Okay, please look at these triangles carefully. I have written a few numbers here. Can you all see the numbers? I have written a few numbers here, but I forgot to write one number here. Can you tell me which number will come here? When I was making this game, I slept while making it. So I forgot to write one number here. Can you tell me which number will come here? Look at all the triangles. Okay. You think it is 6? Okay. थोड़ा सा और सोचो. Look at it carefully. Jonathan, Asa,
48.
Abir and Ahan. Okay, you think 48. Very good. Think. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give you one hint. Okay. You can see these two numbers. Which number is this? 3 and 5. What is 3 plus 5? What is 3 plus 5? Very good. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now, what is 8 multiplied by 2?
Ma'am, it is 16.
16. That is why ma'am has written 16 here. Okay, let us do the next one. 1 plus 7.
8.
1 plus 7 is 8. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. Okay. Now let us look at this last triangle. Very good, Ahan and Abir. 3 plus 3 is? Yes, Asa, do you know the answer?
6.
3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. And what is 6 multiplied by 8? 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. Okay.
48.
So the correct answer is 48. Do you all know Christmas is coming? Yes, Christmas is coming. See, ma'am has got so many
Yes.
Christmas. So today
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
decorating. Okay, today
Yes.
we will decorate our house. Now, look at all the Christmas trees very carefully. Okay, we are following a series. We are going to follow one series.
The star one will come.
Wow. This is first series. I want you to tell me.
The one with the star.
Okay, let us see. Very good. Which Christmas tree will come here? See, in the first Christmas tree, there is nothing over here. In the second one, there is a bow. And in the third one, there is a star. Okay. Similarly, here we have nothing, no decoration. Now here we have a bow. So what comes after bow? We'll have a star. A Christmas tree with a star. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Number 1. Now this is the correct answer. Okay. Let us do the next one. Okay, look at these Christmas trees now. Can you tell me which Christmas tree will come next?
The one with no decoration on the top.
You sure? Look here. Try to analyze the pattern. It's circle, star, and we have nothing here.
Number 2.
Again, we have circle, star. Very good. So what will come here? Very good. This is the correct answer. Okay. I want all of you to look at the butterflies and the flowers very carefully. Look at the color of the butterfly and look at the color of flowers. You can unmute if you know the answer. You can tell me that. Okay, Avya thinks it is 1. Yes, Aisa?
Ma'am, one.
Say the
Star.
number.
1.
Very good.
1.
Abir and Ahan? Hiyan? Very good, Taisha. Very good. Okay, so this is the first series. This is the first series, okay? We have a butterfly here. Then we have a blue flower and then we have a pink flower. Let us start from here. Let us start from here now again. So we have a butterfly. What is coming after the butterfly? What is coming after the butterfly?
Blue flower.
Very good. So the correct answer is the blue flower. Number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, now we are going to play another game. Are you ready to play the game? You can all unmute while we are playing this game. Okay, parents, you can unmute yourselves. Just listen to the instruction before you unmute. I'm going to show you a few colors. You don't have to read the name of the color. Okay, you don't have to read the spelling. You don't have to read the word. Okay, no reading. What you have to do is you have to only look at the color and say the color that you see. Okay, for example,
कौन सा कलर आ गया?
Blue.
yes, this is blue. We will not say yellow. If you will say yellow, you will be out.
Color is this?
Blue.
Whatever color you see.
Blue.
Very good.
Blue.
Did you all understand?
Yes.
Okay, next.
ma'am. Yellow. Yellow.
Very good. You have to be very quick, okay? You will not say red. You will say yellow.
White.
White. Very good.
Green. Green.
Green. Very good. Pink. This is pink. Did anyone say blue? Did you say blue? No. We'll say pink. Okay.
Pink.
Very good. Black or gray. Very good. Excellent. Outstanding. Okay.
Orange. Orange.
Very good. Orange.
Orange.
Okay. Now let us all be on mute. Let us all be on mute now. Now I'm going to show you one very beautiful painting. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a very beautiful painting. Okay. Everybody, please look at this painting carefully. I'm going to ask you a few questions. Okay. Observe everything. All right. Did you all look at the painting? What did you see in the painting? Was it morning or was it night?
Morning की night थी.
Night.
It was night. Very good. Very good. Did you see a moon? Did you see a moon or a sun in the picture? You see a moon or a sun?
बोलो क्या?
Moon? Okay, let us do one thing. जिसने moon देखा वो thumbs up करे. Did you see a moon? And if you अगर आपने sun देखा तो आप thumbs down करो.
Sound करो ना.
Up or down? Moon or sun? Avya saw a sun. Hiyan also saw a sun. Abir and Ahan, moon. Asa, moon. Okay, Arush also saw a moon. Arav, Taisha saw a sun. Okay, it is a night scene. Okay,
You're right.
all right. Yes, it is a moon. Thumbs up. It is a moon. Now I want all of you to look at the painting carefully and count how many stars can you see in the painting. Look at it carefully. How many stars? Can you see stars? Yellow color small dots. These small dots are the stars. How many stars?
12.
12. Count again. So let us count the number of stars, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. This painting has 11 stars. The name of this painting is The Starry Night. The name of the painting is The Starry Night. This painting was painted by this person. Look at him carefully. He is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. Let us say it together. Vincent van Gogh. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a story about this painting. Did you all look at the painting? Okay. This painting is painted by Vincent van Gogh. Let us say it together. Vincent van Gogh. The name of the painting is The Starry Night. It has 11 stars and 1 moon. Do you know Vincent van Gogh was sitting in an asylum? Okay, was sitting inside an asylum when he painted this beautiful painting. In his asylum, he had a small window. In his asylum, he had a small window, and when he used to look out of that window, he used to see a beautiful portrait, and he made that into a painting. Okay. All right. Now, all of you must be having a sheet of paper printed with you. Please pick up that sheet. Children will need few colors. They will need red, green, yellow, blue. Please keep the colors handy with them. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you one picture. Okay. All the little bachas, please listen to me. Ma'am is going to show you one picture. You have to look at the picture very carefully. I will show it to you only for 10 seconds, okay? You have to look at all the colors carefully. Okay. Please look at all the colors carefully. You don't have to color right now. You have to only look at the picture. Okay. Now you have to start coloring. Do you remember where was red? Do you remember where was red? Come on, quickly. Asa, come on, start doing it. Very good, Arush, quickly. You have to only mark the color. I'm going to show it to you once again. Look at your screens. Look, where is red, yellow, green, blue? Okay, now start marking. Excellent. Did you all do it? You can color it later on. Right now, you have to only mark. Okay? Mothers, you can take the sheet from the children. They can color it later on. Okay. Let us do the next activity now. Okay, now I want all of you to look at your screens. Have you ever been to a bakery shop? Yes. Now we are going to look at some breads. This is a baguette. Let us say it together. Baguette. Let us say it together. Baguette. Bagel.
Bagel.
Focaccia. Let us say it together. Focaccia. Breadstick. Breadstick.
Breadstick.
Pretzel. Pretzel. Bread loaf. Bread loaf. Croissant. Croissant. Sourdough. Sourdough. Rye bread. Rye bread. Pita bread. Pita bread. Dinner rolls. Dinner rolls. Okay, now I'm going to show you different types of dinosaurs. Triceratops. Brachiosaurus. Psittacosaurus. Parasaurolophus. Gigantosaurus. Let us say it together. Gigantosaurus. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus, Dicrosaurus, Spinosaurus, Spinosaurus, Acanthophilus, Acanthophilus. Okay, let us do one more game now. Okay, please look at this boy carefully and tell me which is the correct shadow for this boy. We have to find. Okay, Taisha thinks it is 1.
One.
Very good, Rahul. Okay, Isa, very good.
One.
Very nice, Avya. Very good, Abhi. Very good. Number 1. This is the correct shadow. Okay. Please look at this cat.
Starting.
Look at it carefully. No, Isa, no. Very good, Abhi Rahman.
Two.
Very good. Okay, so
Like that.
very good. So first you have to look at the face of the cat and then you have to look at the tail of the cat. So this is the correct shadow. Okay. Which is the correct shadow for this pineapple?
3. Third.
Okay. Arush and Taisha think number 3. Abhi Rahan. Okay, very good.
3.
Very good, Avya. Hian, Jonathan.
Last one.
Very good, Asa. So this is the correct shadow for the pineapple, okay?
Yes, you are right. Very good.
Look at the leaves. Look at the leaves carefully. Okay? Okay. Please look at these rings very carefully. These are the Olympic rings. Okay? It is a very famous athletic competition, Olympics. It originated in Greece. Okay, can you count how many rings can you see here? How many rings can we see?
4.
5.
Count again.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Very good. Olympic rings. We have 5. Can you tell me why we have 5 rings here? Why do we have 5 rings here? We could have had 6 also, 7 also, 8 also. Why we have 5 rings in Olympics? We have 5 rings because initially we used to have 5 major continents. And these 5 rings represent the 5 major continents that we had earlier. That is why the Olympics have 5 rings. Okay, can you tell me which all colors can you see here? Which all colors can you see in the Olympic rings?
Blue, black, red, yellow, green.
Very good. Okay,
Blue,
but we
black,
can see one more color.
red, yellow.
If you look at this picture carefully, we have blue, we have black, we have red, we have yellow, we have green, and in the background we have white. Look at the background here. We have white also. Okay, so the Olympic rings have 6 colors in total. The background color is also counted. It is 6 colors and 5 rings. Okay, now in Olympics there are various types of games and competitions. Okay, and almost 200 countries participate. Okay, look at this picture. This is artistic swimming. Look at the way these people are swimming. So pretty now. Do you want to participate in Olympics? Do you want to participate? Can you swim like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let us look at this. This is equestrian jumping. Equestrian jumping. the Olympic rings here? Can you see the Olympic rings here? Yes. Equestrian jumping,
सर ठीक है
karate. Okay. Now, okay, parents, we are going to do one small activity with the children now. Okay. I'm going to show you a few objects now. Okay. I'm going to show a few objects to all of you now. You have to look at the objects very carefully and you have to remember them in the correct chronology. जिस ऑर्डर में मैम आपको फोटोज दिखाएगी उसी ऑर्डर में आपको उसको याद रखना है. ठीक है, ये गेम है. ठीक है, जिसने भी करके दिखा दिया वो विनर. मैम इज गोइंग टू शो यू अ फ्यू ऑब्जेक्ट्स राइट नाउ ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Okay, I will show it to you very fast. You have to look at those objects and remember them in the correct sequence. Camel, tree, aeroplane, book, crayons, Eiffel Tower. Okay. Who remembers the objects in the same order?
Camel,
Camel,
tree,
What else is
aeroplane, crayons. Okay. So basically, parents, this activity, this is a memory game. Okay, this is a memory game.
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower.
Very good. Okay, so this is a memory game. Now I'm going to teach the children the trick to crack all of this. Okay, अभी मैम ने आपको बहुत सारे photos दिखाए थे ना? I had shown you so many pictures. Now what we will do is we will make a very funny story. Okay, we will make a very funny story with these pictures. Okay, and then you will remember all the pictures in the same order. Let us do it. Come on. Okay, we are going to make a very funny story. Okay, this is known as
Mama, will you ask the story after it or the photos?
I will ask you the photos. Okay. All right. This is known as linking stories. We are going to link up all these pictures into a story. Okay. Camel. Once upon a time, there was a camel. Once upon a time, there was a camel who was sitting under the tree. Who was sitting under the tree. He sees an aeroplane flying up in the sky. Sees an aeroplane flying up in the sky. He takes a book and crayons and draws an Eiffel Tower. Okay, let us look at it once again. Once upon a time, there was a camel sitting under a tree. He sees an aeroplane going up in the sky. He picks up a book and with crayons, what does he draw? He draws an Eiffel Tower. Okay, you all have to revise this story before you come for the next class, okay? Because I'm going to add few more pictures after that. Okay. All right, please look at the dots on your screen. How many dots? One.
One,
How many dots?
two,
Three,
four,
four,
five,
six, seven,
8,
9, 10. Okay. Now I want all of you to look at this triangle carefully. This is the Bermuda Triangle or the Devil's Triangle. Okay. See, there are 3 points here. The first point is Bermuda. The next point is Florida. And the third point is Puerto Rico. When you connect all these 3 points on a globe, a triangle is formed. It is known as the Bermuda Triangle. Do you know what is interesting about this triangle? If you pick up a globe tonight and if you locate all these 3 points, you will come to know about a very nice story. It is a very scary story, so please hug your mama while you're listening to this, okay? Give a tight huggy to your mama while you listen to this story. All the ships and all the planes that pass through this triangle, they vanish away. They disappear. इस ट्रायंगल के बीच में से कोई भी शिप, कोई भी एरोप्लेन अगर क्रॉस होता है तो वो गुम हो जाता है, वो गायब हो जाता है. आपको क्या लगता है कहाँ जाता है वो गुम होके? Where does it go? What do you think? मुझे तो लगता है कोई भूत आके खा जाता है उनको. या फिर, or maybe there is an alien.
I think it goes to Lakshadweep.
It goes to Lakshadweep. Okay, Taisha thinks it goes to Lakshadweep. How about the rest? Sub, okay, now I'm going to show it to you once again. Parents, please pick up a globe tonight and show these points to the children and ask them. Please create a curiosity in them. The first point is Bermuda, Puerto Rico. Okay, we can see it better here. Bermuda, Puerto Rico, and Florida. Can you see the triangle? See inside, see this ship is vanishing. This aeroplane. Everything vanishes away. सब गुम हो जाता है, disappear हो जाता है इस triangle के बीच में. Okay? So you all must pick up a globe tonight and look at this triangle. It is known as the Bermuda Triangle. Yes, Asa, do you want to say something?
The ship and the plane goes inside the water, I think.
Oh yeah, maybe it goes inside the water. You are right. But I think maybe there is an alien living there who eats them up. I don't know. Okay, I want all of you to study about it before you come for the next class, okay? Okay. Now, do you know which logo is this? Do you watch television? This is Cartoon Network. Very good, Arush. What
YouTube.
Excellent. YouTube.
Google.
Wow.
Google.
Google.
Lego.
Lego.
I have a game called Lego.
Yummy, yummy. Maggie.
Ma'am, I have a game called Lego. WhatsApp.
Very good. Mama will show this logo to you on Mama's phone, okay? WhatsApp. Oreo. Parle-G. Wow. Pepsi. Coca-Cola. Okay, let us play a game now. Let us play Sudoku. You must be having a sheet of paper. You must be having... Okay, Asa, if you don't have it printed, you can quickly make it on your notebook. If you don't have it printed, it is okay. We are going to solve the Sudoku. Before we solve it, it is important for the children to know the basic terminology. This is a row. This is a row. Okay? And these are columns. These are columns. Okay? Now, each row and column should have numbers from 1 to 4. Okay? सारे rows और columns में numbers होने चाहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please tell your children to start from the row or column which has the maximum digits filled in. Okay, we have to give them a few clues. Please look at the first column, everyone. Look at the first column. Okay. Yes, Asa, do you want to say something? We have number 1, number 2, number 4. Which number is missing here? Who can tell me?
Number 3.
Very good. Number 3. Let us look at the second column. Quickly tell me which number is missing in second column.
It was number 3 to write number 3.
Very good.
Number 4. Okay, don't tell me.
Let us look at the second row. Which number is missing? Yes, Asa?
Which number is missing?
4.
Very good. Okay, let us look at the third row now. Look at the third row and think which number is missing. We have 2, 3, and 4.
5.
Hmm?
1, 1, 1.
One. Number 1 is missing. Very good.
Right one.
Okay, did you all do this? Okay, now let us look at the number here. इधर या तो फिर हम 1 लिख सकते हैं या तो हम 2 लिख सकते हैं एंड इधर भी हम 1 लिख सकते हैं या 2 लिख सकते हैं.
1 and 2.
If you look at
First 1, then 2.
if you look at this column, yes, we already have 2, so we can't write 2 here. And in this column, we already have 1, so we can't write 1 here. So number 4 will come here. Number 3 will come here. Okay. Were you able to do it? Very good, Arush and Arav. Taisha, did you do it? Or you have started coloring now?
I
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, now we are going to look at some superheroes. Let us look at some superheroes. Very good. Look here, everyone. Wonder Woman. Let us say it together. Wonder Woman. Thor. Superman.
Superman.
Who is this?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Batman.
Batman.
Hulk.
Hulk.
Hercules.
Hercules. Black Panther. Black Panther. Iron Man. Captain America.
Captain America.
Now we are going to look at some monuments. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Look at this monument. When you will look at this building, you will feel that this building is little tilted and it is falling down. Look at the building carefully. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The building is leaning on one side. It is tilted. Okay. These are the statues on Easter Island. This is Machu Picchu in Peru. Machu Picchu in Peru. It is a very famous world monument. Do you know what is this?
Eiffel Tower.
Very good. This is Eiffel Tower. It is in Paris. These are the pyramids.
I don't know.
These are the pyramids. They're in Egypt. Okay. All right. Did you all have fun? Did you all enjoy? Yes. Okay. The children can go. I only need to speak to the parents for 5 minutes. I won't take much of your time. I only need to speak to the parents for 5 minutes. So parents, the program that you've enrolled for, I will simply brief you about it. Okay. So basically this is a brain education program. Okay. We are going to do almost 20 activities with the children in a short span of time. Okay, this is like an exercise for the brain. Like your body needs exercise, similarly, even your brain needs exercise. We are doing all the activities, all the things that we are doing in the class are basically going to help your children in the future. These activities will not help them in school curriculum. ये activities करके आपके बच्चे क्लास में first नहीं आएंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन ये लोग फ्यूचर के लिए प्रिपेयर होंगे. यू मस्ट बी नोटिसिंग दैट व्हेन चिल्ड्रन गो फॉर इंटरनेशनल एग्जाम्स लाइक आइल्स, TOEFL. Children are tested upon critical analysis, logical thinking, problem solving. But all these things, all these topics are not a part of the school curriculum. That is why brain education is a very important program. Now the other. Let us do one small game. Okay. Can you tell me if you all know, mothers, just give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do you all know ABCD? Mothers, do you all know ABCD? Perfect. Mothers, do you all know the names of the colors? Do you know I'm wearing black? You all know names of the colors. Okay. Mothers, do you all know Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Do you all know? Very good. Mothers, can you tell me when you went to school, who was your class teacher in grade 3? Okay. Who was your best friend in grade 7? How many marks did you get in social studies in class 9? ये सारी चीजें तो आपकी हुई. What did you eat for breakfast 5 days back? You don't remember what you ate for breakfast 5 days back, but you remember ABCD that you learned when you were 3 years old. Why? अभी 4-5 दिन की पहले कल की बात भी नहीं याद होगी हमको, बट 3 साल की उम्र में ABCD सीखा था, वो आज तक भी याद है. क्यों? कलर्स सीखे थे. और क्लास 3 की ग्रेड की टीचर हमको नहीं याद है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स नहीं याद है क्लास 5 के. The reason is, any information that is given to a child in the age group of 3 to 7 would always stay with them. That is why this brain education program, the things that we are doing in the class right now, is only for this group. Okay, we don't do brain education for 8 years, 9 years. 10 साल के बच्चे को मैं स्टारी नाइट दिखाऊंगी तो वो उसको याद रहेगा, लेकिन इन लोगों के साथ ये इन्फॉर्मेशन हमेशा रहेगी अगर आप इसको रिवाइज करते रहेंगे, ब्रश अप करते रहेंगे. सो ऑल एक्टिविटीज दैट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ विथ योर चिल्ड्रन, ओके, इसका कोई रिजल्ट आपको दिखेगा नहीं कि मेरा बच्चा इससे क्लास में फर्स्ट आ गया. मैथ्स की ट्यूशन आप 40 मिनट करवाओगे, आपका बच्चा क्लास में फर्स्ट आ सकता है. ब्रेन एजुकेशन का रिजल्ट आपको अभी नहीं दिखेगा, बट इफ यू कीप ऑन एजुकेटिंग द ब्रेन for the next 2-3 years that you have, you will see results when the children grow up and they appear for exams. Okay. Now, the linking stories that we did in the class. Okay, just one small activity. I did it for 1 minute. आप लोगों को घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है कि आप भी ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स बच्चों को देते रहें and ask them to revise them, to learn them in the same chronology. ठीक है, वो लोग नहीं याद कर पाएंगे अगर, ask them to make a own funny story. कोई एक funny story उनको बोलिए डेवलप करने के लिए, या you also be a part of the activity. Develop a funny story to remember all the 10 or 15 or 20 objects in the same chronology. So some way or the other, you must keep on doing these exercises with the children. Again, I had shown them types of dinosaurs. ठीक है? We are not expecting them to learn types of dinosaurs. We only want them to have an awareness कि dinosaurs इतने सारे types के होते भी हैं. Next time when they are looking at a movie and they see a dinosaur, they will question you or they will tell you कि मम्मा ये dinosaur हमने देखा था. So the aim of the program is not to make the child learn everything. It is just to expand their horizon.